In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Submagic subscription and delete your account. First, we'll make sure your subscription doesn't renew, and then we'll request a full account and data deletion through support. I'll walk you through each action and share a few helpful tips along the way. Start by logging into your Submagic account the way you normally do. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you've tried Submagic with more than one email address. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the dashboard and click your profile picture to open your profile menu. This is where Submagic keeps your account and billing controls. Next, choose Manage Subscription. Inside this section, find the option to cancel subscription. Click it, then follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the cancellation. You may be asked to select a reason or review your current plan details. Completing this step stops future renewals, which means you won't be charged again. In most cases, you'll retain access until the end of your current billing period, so you can still use your remaining time. If you want a record for your files, consider saving your last invoice before you leave this page. Now that renewals are canceled, it's time to request account deletion. Submagic handles deletions through their support team for security and privacy. Head to the Submagic Help Center and open the chat support. When the chat launches, clearly state that you'd like your account and associated data deleted. Provide the email address that's tied to your Submagic account so they can locate the correct profile. Keep your message concise but specific. For example, you've canceled your subscription and would like full account and data deletion under that email. After you submit your request, you can expect a response from the support team, typically within about 12 hours. Keep an eye on your inbox, including your spam or junk folder, in case their reply lands there. If they ask for a quick confirmation via chat or email, respond promptly to avoid delays. Once they confirm the deletion, your account and stored data should be removed according to their policy. To recap, you log in, open your profile, manage your subscription to cancel future renewals, then visit the Help Center chat to request full account and data deletion using your Submagic email. With these steps, you'll wrap up your Submagic presence cleanly, avoid future charges, and ensure your information is removed